ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Thank you so much. We have been here talking about the power to do more, talking about MTN MOMO, and personally, like I said, I have learned a lot today about MOMO. I have learned a lot today about the investment. I didn't know anything to do with the investment. Now I know if I put my
between 10 to 12%. You see the dial star 165, star 7, star 1, and you join the platform. You are able to invest, you are able to insure.
Maybe 1 minute. Yes, let's hurry up. Those who are the next in the welcome. The power.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.